In this video, we're going to see how to use VideoXQ-AI to create gorgeous animation explainer videos using revolutionary AI technology. Just by entering some keywords, you can create high retention, fully unique video scripts for a variety of purposes. Then watch as the fully cloud-based app creates a fully unique, high-end explainer animation video from that text. Not just any animation video, however, but one filled with high-end isometric animations, the animation style proven to get the most amount of attention and conversions. Choose from a gigantic library of already done-for-you animated scenes to add to your video in just a click. Or choose from tons of already done-for-you videos in popular business niches and topics to edit or clone. Edit anything you want with the drag-and-drop multi-timeline editor and preview the video as you go in real time. Plus, turn the AI text into a realistic AI voiceover in seconds with the text-to-speech engine that sounds just like a pro voiceover artist. Add video stock clips, animations and transitions, animated backgrounds, animated emojis, and more to make an HD explainer video for any need, better than what top agencies in the world can produce with no experience needed. In seconds, make VSLs or commercials like this example.
In need of a home construction expert? Want a team that's experienced and certified? Look no further than West Construction. Our team specializes in residential construction or commercial construction.
Or YouTube videos great for faceless channels.
Hey, it's Brad, and welcome back to my Quick Tips Fitness channel. I want to share the biggest key that helped me lose weight and keep it off today. When I stopped forcing myself to do exercises I hated and thought were boring, like running and cardio.
Or videos for social ads, TikToks, or Reels.
Tired of stress and work? Ready to relax? Book a trip to Palm Suites in sunny Florida. Everything's here to unwind, like 5-star drinks and dining. Refresh and take it easy.
Plus, it's loaded with realistic voiceovers like these.
Hey, it's Brandon here. I'm one of the realistic voices inside of VideoXQ to help you make awesome explainer videos fast and easy. Use me, or one of many other friends in multiple languages for your voiceovers.
Hey, it's Jen here. I'm one of the realistic voices inside of VideoXQ to help you make awesome explainer videos fast and easy. Use me, or one of many other friends in multiple languages for your voiceovers.
To get started, log into the fully cloud-based app and hit Create Video to make a new animation explainer video. Choose your layout, and then click to have artificial intelligence generate a high-retention video script from scratch for us. Type in a short description about what you want the AI to make the video script about, add the business name or product name, choose if you want a shorter script for social videos or a longer script for direct response video sales letters, hit generate, and our script is ready to go. Edit anything you want about it. Now, if you're in a rush, you can choose from lots of already done for you videos with scripts, voiceovers, and animations already created in the template section. Or edit and clone an existing video we're already working on like this. Next, let's see how to add gorgeous animated scenes to the video. One of the things that makes VideoXQ-AI stand apart from all the other video makers is this gigantic collection of done-for-you animated scenes in many niches for offline or online businesses. Choose a popular topic and then pick from done-for-you animated scenes within that topic. Preview what the animated scene will look like. Choose where we want to insert it on the drag-and-drop timeline editor, and then press to add it in. In a click, you can move elements around on the screen, changing their location, making them bigger or smaller, and then edit the duration of the clip if needed, and choose where it will enter and exit using the timeline editor, just like this. Press the play button to view your edits in real time. You can easily add other elements like text to the video if needed. Choose from fancy presets or regular text. Simply point and click to edit. You can change the order in which each element is seen on the video using layer technology. Just drag what layer you want to be shown over the other one like this. Note that you can manually add text to each scene or choose to burn subtitles onto the video upon rendering it from your script you've created. Excellent for high views on social media sites. Okay, now let's add some music, including a realistic sounding voiceover to our animated explainer video. Scroll to audio and select text to speech. Enter your text or paste in your AI-generated script. Choose a language and realistic voice ID from a collection of real-sounding spokespeople. Choose your speed and pause duration, and then generate the audio. And then you can preview it after generated. Then click Use to add it to the video. You can also upload any previous voiceovers you made or record your own voiceover right inside the app. Okay, awesome. Now we have a high retention video script, amazing animations with text, and realistic voiceover. Our video is already better than 99% of animated videos out there, but believe it or not, this is just the start of what you can do with VideoXQ-AI. To add video footage to the video, go to video and upload your own clips or search a gigantic library of stock clips. Preview the video clip and add it to the video if needed. The same thing works for regular images as well. You can add static or animated backgrounds to the video. Click background and add a video, image, or color as the background to our video. VideoXQ-AI is the first that lets you add animated backgrounds that make the video look really awesome. Go to animations and select background effects. Preview an animated background and choose where you want to add it, and then insert it with just a click. That definitely took our video to the next animation level. Add animated transitions to any element of the video as well. Click an element and then add an entrance or exit transition just like this. Now our video is starting to look really high-end. Also add animated emojis to the video or individual animated characters and objects. There's so many assets to help bring the video to life however you want, or how your client is requesting the video to be. Choose from hundreds of animated individual graphics and scenes to make explainer videos for pretty much every niche out there in seconds. Finally, when you're ready, click Render to export the video to HD super fast. Use yourself to boost leads and sales, or sell to clients on places like Fiverr or Upwork, and anywhere else to run a video marketing agency business. As you can see, everything is here to make animated videos for any need or purpose better than what top agencies can make. The AI technology will keep getting smarter and the animation library will keep growing, so your videos will continue to get better than what top marketers can make.